Is trading the best business model in the world? A lot of people say so. Honestly, I don't think so. Even though trading is one of my business models, it's not the main one, and it's not the first one I would start with. There's a lot of pros and cons to it, and I'm going to be honest with you, I'm going to be authentic with you. I'm going to explain what those pros and cons are, who it's for, and who it's not for. So one of the reasons I don't think it's the best business model is the cons are it's both capital intensive, expensive, and the third is inconsistent. So capital intensive means you need a lot of money to get started, right? You have a risk reward. The greater your risk, the greater your reward. If you have nothing to risk, there's no reward. So you have to have something to risk. There's a lot of business models you can start with nothing to risk and make good money doing so. Second is expensive, which is related, but you look at expenses for certain businesses, some of them are quite low. The expenses of a trading business is usually quite high, whether it's the losses or the drawdowns. So you have the chance of, the third one is having losing months, having losing weeks. There's a lot of business models where you won't necessarily make money, but you're not going to lose a bunch of money on a month. You're going to be relatively more consistent, or at least not like positive, negative. And make no mistake, you're going to have negative months trading. Professional traders have negative months. Richard Dennis, the Turtles, Richard Dennis turned $400 into $200 million, had 55% winning months. The stock market is only green 55% of months. You're going to have losing months. A lot of business models have all green months. Now, trading, as day trading, I really don't like it. It has a very high fail rate, like 95% failure. There's a lot of businesses that have 95% success rate. Investing, by the way, is a much better business model than trading. But, for instance, take me a year ago when I'm like, I need to make some more money. I started a private tour business where I'm the tour guide. I didn't buy a new car. I didn't need to do a lot of marketing. I just got listed on Viator. Started for almost nothing, and then I was making an extra $3,000-$4,000 a month. There was hardly any expense, hardly any new expense, and it was quite consistent. And I didn't have to start with very much. You can also do like what I'm doing, what you see when I have the phone and I talk to the phone. There's no cost. I'm going to have the phone bill anyways. And you can do coaching, trade your time for money for free. Start with nothing, right? So what trading is good at is multiplying when you have money with no additional time or very little additional time. So it's really important to not spend much time on your trading business, or it's just not worth it. It's something where you can set your money aside and then later you come back and it's more, but you need to be making money. So you got to know who it's for. Anyways, you want to see our trading system, just comment MTP down below. Might not be for you though. You got to be making money already. So comment MTP if you want to see it though.